Hey you all, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, welcome to All Things Burn. I appreciate you clicking on this video and checking this channel out. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for coming back by and checking out this video. I hope you all are doing well. I hope your families are doing well, and I hope you're living your best blessed life, you all. I have another collaboration with Hazelluxury, handbags, jewelry, clothing, and I'm going to show you some pictures and just pull up the website as I'm talking to you guys. I appreciate Hazelluxury Company for sending over this bag for me to unbox, to look at, to review. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I will have a discount code for you all down in the description box below. I will have the link to this bag, and if you want to purchase it, or if you want to purchase any other bag or anything else over there, I will have the link to this company. So we're going to unbox it, y'all. I love doing these because I love purses. I love purses. I have so many purses, y'all. I probably have, I don't have over 200 purses. Probably more than that, y'all. I have a lot of purses. Ooh. So it came in this box, wrapped pretty well. I already know what purse this is because I picked it out. They actually let me choose a few, you know. I sent her over a few. Let me get this knife to be better. I sent her over a few pictures that I liked, and so she was like, well, how about this one? I was like, yes, please. Oh my goodness, y'all. I am trying to, oh, let me just go this way. I'm trying to get in this box without ripping anything. Like I said, this is a luxury company, and why pay more when you can pay less, right? Who has thousands and thousands of dollars to be spending on a purse? I could do it, y'all, but I don't want to do it because I like too many purses. Can y'all guess what purse this is just by looking at the box? Some of y'all know. Some of y'all know already. I'm excited. Oh, can I get it out? I'm not ready to just rip the box open because I'm going to throw the box away anyway. So, oh my gosh. I can hardly get it out, y'all. Let me see something. Oh my goodness. Let me try this way. Come on. Come on. Slowly coming, y'all. Slowly coming. Okay, finally. Oh, I like the box. So it's Christian Dior. Well, Dior. Love that. Love that. Love that. Okay. Ooh. So it came nicely wrapped. I'm gonna gently unwrap it. Okay. It's in a tote bag. Now this one is a little bit smaller than, ooh, Dior Paris. Ooh, okay. So let's get into it, y'all. And it has its own little dust bag as well. And it just says Dior on it, with a nice little dust bag. And, ooh, okay, it's not too small. Oh, yes. Ooh. Ooh, yes. I like it. I like it. Christian Dior Paris. Ooh, I like this. And so let me take off the plastic off the straps. Let me see, does it have a chain? Ooh, yes, it has a chain. Oh, and it has a little wallet. Okay. Oh, I like this. You just buckle it right here. And let me see. Oh, I like it. Let me see if I can buckle the thing for you guys. Ooh. Okay. Oh, man, I really like this. I really like this. When I'm wearing denim, wow. Okay, so it comes with its own little wallet, y'all. Oh man, this is nice. And it says Dior on the inside, Christian Dior on the inside. And I can put my cell phone in here, my wallet, some keys if I just want to just run in the store and come right out. Yes, please. Oh my gosh. And it also comes with information about the bag. Just a bunch of little cards. And probably cleaning instructions and stuff like that. Yeah. And the Christian Dior card. Oh, nice. But first, let me just show you like this part of the bag, the front. That is the back. It's like a bucket. It's like a bucket bag. I'm loving it, especially with some denim. Oh man, and it came with its own strap. So, oh, and the strap says Christian Dior. Love that. You can crossbody it too because it seems like it's fairly long. Let me see if I can get it open. Wow, this is a nice bag and it's made so well. The only thing about this bag, you don't have any inside pockets, which is fine because if you have to, you can put your smaller things in here and just drop it in here. So, ooh. Oh wow, I'm loving this. I am loving this. Oh, I like it. Hazelluxury, thank you so much. Okay. I was just trying to take the plastic off the little strap here. Awesome. So that's the strap, you guys. And it can come even longer. Let me see. Yeah, it can come longer. So I can actually crossbody it if I have to. Let me go back a little bit. If I had to crossbody it, I probably wouldn't crossbody this particular bag. But if I had to, I could. So, this is beautiful. The material is really, really nice as well. It is really, the stitching is really well done. And the bag is just gorgeous. I absolutely love this bag. Yes, please. Oh, wow. Let me see how the bottom is made. Okay, so no feet on the bottom. But I love it. I absolutely love it. And this bag can be yours as well, you guys. All you have to do is go on the website, use the discount code I believe the discount code is burn. Let me just check, you guys. I believe it's burn 100. I believe it's burn 100. Yes, burn 100. But they're offering a 5% discount. But still, a discount is better than no discount. So go check it out. Like I said, the Christmas season is upon us, and you may want to buy somebody a nice gift. This bag will last probably forever. The way it's made, I think it will last forever. And then you got this thick stitching on the side as well. This is a really, really nice bag. And then you get the little not clutch, but the little wallet. I would say wallet. Somebody's ringing my phone, you guys. I'm just trying to not answer it. So there you go. I love this. This is amazing. I love it. Thank you so much, Hazelluxury, for sponsoring this video and sending me over this beautiful bag. I really like it. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. Go be kind to someone. Continue to live your best blessed life. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all. Love y'all.